Hi everyone, I am here with the Rockland Fashion Softside. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I am loving this explosive orange color. So your suitcase should not be mistaken for anyone else's. This does come in a variety of colors, so choose the one that you like the most. Has plenty of outside zippers. Here's a compartment here and another one here. It's super lightweight. Love that it comes with an ID tag. I love that it comes with these two stands, so it stands by itself sturdy on its side. And the wheels are very agile, so when you're ready to go, they are too. Let's pull out the extendable handle. Very nice and rolls easily. Has a very nice extension, you guys, and it does come with a lock. This is awesome, you guys. It comes with a personal carry-on bag as well. Let's get into this personal size luggage. Here is the first compartment. Here is the second. Large capacity. Comes with an additional strap if you want to extend. And the back compartment. It does come with the straps to keep your personal belongings secure. On this side, we do have a separate compartment for any personal belongings or toiletries. Nothing left to do but pack it up. Let's see how it glides. Still super lightweight, super easy to maneuver.